honestly, I've not followed it.
Oh yes. Any bits be a meeting.
I met these things. Treasure and yes, nipa me and say Helena Mensa so him.
Yeah.
Former PM for a dress.
Yeah.
No copem pini be ready.
Yes.
And I come up and then the ball. Isaac Osei-Tutu and so on. Frederick Quatting. And a Frederick Ade.
Yes. Former aide to a former KMA boss.
Frederick Ade. Oh, okay.
Now, former KMA boss, call national service. SCB or SCB.
Oh,
no,
okay.
Any aid.
Okay.
Or a communicator and so for the party.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Interesting.
There's one called Northern Region National Service.
Oh, okay.
Northern Region, yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting. I talk on Northern Coy. Okay. Anna Nasara, on my best Zangos, inner cities, maybe Biama NPP, in the Zongo community, Razak Abubakar, Abdul Basit Mohammed, Hamisu Ibrahim, and Ibrahim Anyas, Mohammed Nimubia.
That's all.
But I say, we need to name it Anyas,
come up.
Maybe a Muslim and Kedima Ibrahim.
Okay.
Ibrahim.
Wow.
And the pan.
And no Abraham.
3 and 4 on betu movie. Second vice chairperson.
Yes.
Zenabu Omuntoma Zenabu.
Okay.
Oba.
Okay.
Only NS Yawamwa. Say that daipu.
At least gender balance.
Gender balance. The whole face.
Oh, feeling no.
Hema mena.
Oh, yeah, dano.
Me adame. No quentin make ground.
Anyway.
On a bakubi. Me do abehu.
Matthias.
On sunya bad cry.
Okay.
And the first vice to Patrick a champion is a 3 minutes on an original boss. In T as someone, I was former chairman and a Benadam Janto
Amofa.
As a real youthful nature.
Okay.
The youthful nature, no, my dream say, the way the politics is going.
Yes.
You need, because we're chairman in arena, so you need a bit of vibrancy.
Sure.
You need a bit of dexterity.
Sure.
And me follow the team, no, bring Chelsea, one of the investors on social media. I think say here are available. I think
the second time I'm say about contested.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The last time he came.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm fine, but our team no so a
strong team.
Very strong. But number 3, no. As I resonate with Obia, me so me hu say I say ebetimi akwa ma obi say so
okay, that's what I want to question to me after.
I'm tired na me hu no bibi sa.
Interesting. Now deputy secretary no omontomo obey. Omo maka nkwa me mumudi.
Okay.
Lexi abna boy.
Idi no so de.
Na hwe picture no de ko e
picture no kind of cool no.
Picture. Ah. 2 reasons. First reason here picture.
What a PR.
Picture no. Me answer Gabi ba say ya make us onye na me frɛ no.
I see.
Say no pe say nkranhye no.
I no
pe di nkranhye.
Oh so shame crying.
The Lexi.
Abena boahene.
Oh.
Boahene. Yeah.
Oh so we.
Is a lawyer na.
Oh nice.
Nice. I think so.
Nice. Oh, mommy, more impetus to campaign for her. I think so.
You are loving her. You are loving her.
Janda, you know, say second, you say Bama, a man trona be ko to so ba ne be ma trotra. You say oba de no. The ambience. You know, the serenity.
Wow.
And I say man secretary today come with such peace.
Yes.
Oh, front desk be bringing in a ma. Oh, me a ma advocate.
That's right.
The competition be new about could be unless one banner prove be a minimum. Let's in that. But also to me see be picture no. Any appearance no.
That's right.
Any no crown say Lexi. Oh, say I don't know. It oozes a secretary vibe Lexi.
Yes.
Oh, say what Dina.
Yes.
Resonating.
Yeah.
Oh, Lexi.
Yeah.
And a pen call. And a typing. Oh, 2 minute. Oh, nobody namre. Oh, yes, one gave Robedia Quapia. Any kiss the bones to tree. When I echo. Said it tree. And
dear. As a witness, and I'm pay
Lexi.
Wow.
My hunentem come support. My Tommy K. Credit, support campaign. Was I see a boama
anyway?
Na Marco decision making table.
universal adult suffrage.
Timinum kaki no kra by say wo nya homa no pe kra go so mo bia metimi na man say on fanya campaign and on fanya grants
medical na be ma Lexi medical na be ma
yes
be
intimi sra wa tre o ko tre o deputy secretary
I see
na woman organizer no so minimum
ebusafo no take note
o enko ba bia Victoria Nyako wusu e chan Beatrice Owusu ena Ophelia Samaba Prempekes.
Yes, Samaba
Prempekes.
Ono na eye abrante bi ya no wo eye ohineba o ware no di 3 weeks as say 3 months as say aware ni go no.
Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Na wo no unimo mo hwa hena na ekọ.
Me nkase we na ekọ, but me hwe experience where Samaba no. In fact, our party in Mwache. He was even closer to a former chairman. Maybe because in the background on the day. Now I play youth politics and also I remember back in 2014, he was communicating for the party. Now station behind me also or communicating for the party. I don't have Victoria also. I don't know when she joined, but also a woman. Also woman fine. Beatrice nso oni mpanifo no bi ewo links
Beatrice ko yase mama yo a peace and love.
Yes.
Nzo ko yase na hu na I check it don't do the Beatrice. Check it in
ay. So munyina no I think say yes.
Yankoso. The next one the secretary position. And when me free me I say love and then kasa go so kasa.
So Boyando so kasa. I think say obi am be so be to bomb last minute too.
I think say Francis so be na Adomako kasa e. So be we need convincingly.
Okay.
Ana Michael Amo kusa we know former MC and
MC. Achuma
Wabieja wo be bia. And I think say so maybe Francois will come with a bit of experience.
Oh yes.
I think say no na AB or the baby too. Dog. I think that maybe
if you talk of experience, then they bear Makamoku.
Sir.
If you are talking of experience, because Amoku started from
Motofoa.
Yes. No, the rise to Edusa level. No. Now, even at that level, no, as an MC, it was very powerful. Yeah, can't see in a party anymore. Amoku. If you are talking of experience, Amoku Santo and Sunday.
But and me see around the interview laughing because we be a friend idea. I think so no one call Adomako.
Okay.
I think that this is one of the position because I'm for that me underestimate Paul. Now share now rules we make and say Paul making in rules
yes
significant in rules.
Yes. Also Paul said was any party no relating no party members in relating no. Also in nature no.
Yeah.
No in can.
Yeah.
So he's liked by so many people.
Yeah.
Francois also the interface with the people. Oh no, will be a obetuma brand no wants to know oh bra. Ubona sum cross fache me wate wa bona sum no say fache me kafra
the human relations
yes as o brand was wo ye o sa krama
krama ho brase
sane ka no
yes
okay
oh no but it's not bad you see anyway. You see it's not ana man for this policy no till you are serving people
yeah
even when you have ego you cannot bring I say I have 1,000 reasons I shouldn't be here
okay
till but my sign contract be say my bedroom one sign contract or be politician.
Yes.
So if you have ego, for two them.
True.
When you meet the delegates, then you must express that. Now the mama the boom.
Yeah, no correct.
And so some mama come be no chiankra any ade.
Yeah, no correct.
Mama be ko no dey ko be trust one up.
Yeah.
And nipa there, the far as you come to the office, because when you meet the delegates, wherever you meet, that's your office.
Yes.
You need to use that humility to them.
True.
You need to serve them. I gonna pay. And your politicians come that care my mom message. It didn't see me now one member for you man. Was member kind of best.
But bro, baby, obi to bicycle so. After no to bicycle so no
question. I gonna penny a flip They are rather supposed to say when it say come on by say for me.
So Francois of
I see it. Nani bet my journey. Nani can join.
Okay.
Nane ambacho beso so home. So I think that it presents a very interesting dynamic. Yes. The only a secretary to move replace Sampine.
That's right.
Sampine. And it's I think it will be a cliffhanger. I think it will be a cliffhanger. The next one organizer. And to see let me buza ya Jima. Any other people so
and I DKM
Matete ebra will contribute pickups or lose na yere.
Yes.
And yes.
In the heat of campaign, no lose na yere.
Na sometimes I na dey be and make say me no say chairman say ya dey be I was very surprised. Okowun to see any interview no na it was clear campaign.
Okay.
Let nobody and now I was sad and I did a video on the critical analysis on my YouTube and I was expressing that frustration because NPP nyina yi and when I make say a senior I think and afenyo interview no can say the NDC has a way to come together. Afenyo na how they family sin change.
Yeah.
But the NPP what's the parliament on issues by your bomb any say kim NDC be a review mo how. NPP.
Okay.
AC. Afenyo na can see I think that they cut too deep. So when it comes to the surgical precision to reconcile, it's difficult. The cuts are too deep. I rent a meaning that, but not all share the testimony of what you went through. Senior. Now, if you know, be a minimum, can I ask my baby emotional towards him, DKM? Can I minimum or say pick up? None of you.
Aye. Pick up something at Brandon D.
Friends from my music.
Yes. FBBB.
Yes.
Now, it's a pick up on a Brandon.
Yes.
FOB, yes, FOB.
And
pick up some brand of FOB.
Me TikTok no. I am a share car on your money at the end when I'm on them. It's him anope me ba oxy one. Frontex one follow politics and me one thing about me is that me me jam pretend me.
Yeah.
And then people say Charlie, what do you follow? Unless you because I'm follow a buana, machine making kind documents in the and I make count or candy came down and click it. Brandy and the dino that your cool mensa. Click here. And I think say Oshasan you kana or a resourceful. Yes. That's what I see.
Very.
And it's very strategic.
Or a minor, very resourceful.
Eugene, let me come in here. And good morning to you.
Yeah, good morning.
DKM, one here, you underestimate him because he's not too popular in Kumasi politics.
Sure.
Even though the NPP faithfuls, they know him in the Kumasi, greater Kumasi, you know, a lot of people will not know DKM.
True.
DKM is within the Monsoon Enclave, the mining communities, and you know what happens within these communities. A lot of people are miners, and I understand that he's one of them. So about resources,
very resourceful.
You know, pooling resources for the party. He's able to gather his people. They understand his language. So these people within the mining communities, you know, they gravitate towards their own. In those areas there, DKM is very popular.
Yeah.
But over Greater Kumasi,
I want to challenge you.
Yes, me because of the DKM, no, and am I click
because of the previous.
Yes.
But unim. I'm not a Dennis Kasai. I agree with Rebecca. I'm a fair round
Okay.
Dennis sounded confident, and I was surprised. Until I'm not paying. Me, I thought was a walk in the park for Safu Patrick.
Okay.
Until I'm not paying reading, I'm a year. Now, Dennis A experience, Kakra. Who's a NAPCO or a regional comms officer.
Yes.
Parliamentary candidate Mampo. Even the Mampo election, the guy was decent. Right?
Okay.
He's shown a bit formidability. Now, the surprising thing is, oh, come Mampo. I thought because of Amprechum's stature.
Yes.
But some personalities they were huge supporting Dennis Kwakwa, and I was a bit like that careful. But I know so me who say the constituency organizers and I endorse I saw it on TikTok. That's interesting. Now Ralph also the experience coming from the youth organizer position.
Yes.
Very experienced.
Very.
For 2 terms.
Yes.
Now for you to go 2 terms and for them to endorse you also shows that you have a grassroots. Phrase I'm using for a rap on the Kudu chairmanship. I remind me.
Okay.
And the other ref. So it seems that all of them connect to the grassroots some way somehow. So I think it will come to 2 things in my view.
Okay.
Resources and strategy.
And it's great.
Because for me, I've always believed that there are 3 things that will win in an election: resources, the money first, and the human. The strategy before message. Okay. I don't believe Ghanaian election message carries anything. I think it's resources.
And who you are aligned to.
Human resources. Resources can be 2.
Yeah.
Financial and human. Who is supporting you? Who is opening doors for you? Because I mean, say I'm a pair obi to say Bibu or Dr. I'll call my good friend and he's not a lawyer. Congratulations to Krobia Kwabna Asante. chief, he will give me the information. And I may access. But what I say? So I think that all of them have experience.
Anyway,
I think it will come to resources. Now the next one here comes Officer Keskin, any Isaac Chebrube. I'm biased here. I'm biased here.
Very.
I've known Keskin for all
yes. So
but no, I can say beyond me from personal bias and don't check. And you see, the reason why I say this is because let's not hide these things. If you are biased, you are biased. Keskin has been long ago. I can't any PA, any BBR. But I think that for comms, I think there's a gap. Me view. No?
Okay.
Keskin has a lot of attributes in my view. Let me explain. He's youthful. He's more exuberant. I'm saying project I don't So ideally, in Isaac could have served like someone like maybe Nana Kumia, a com strategist. Then the young people who are beneath doing the job.
Okay.
But also let's not downplay it. Per what I'm told, he also comes with that academic. I probably show him KST also. So he also has the academic side. And this argument is that the NPP has lost the academic side. Okay, Unimark. Marketing the me afanya marking ko kasampa ono ko UCC no na wonti no and the lectures in now openly even we had lecturers for Mahama.
No, Eugene, not to take you. In school as somebody out graduate. Yeah, school and say within 2012 to 2016. Yeah, you notice it. Yeah, KNUST. If you are coming for an election in KNUST and you are attached to 10, amount for 10 automatically people draws away from you. But right now, 10 has become very strong on our campuses.
I am very attractive.
So it should tell you where the politics of this country is going. Yeah. And the youth have a different idea. And
you see, maybe more 2 years. I say for go be yelda baby. Yes, will be him a choir. Hi, my name is Selma Yeda. Say Yeda. The DB way 10 per about.
Okay.
I remember.
Yes. Now, as I'm a discussing.
Yes, the lady came here, we spoke to
we're 10 presidents now. Your program be a person basso. No me who be that. When say a girl, social media visibility. And now saying him upon a cocaine. Obiasa admitted. Hamid on a Kesman interview trendy. Listen, he said the same thing. Now Tescon has been reduced to voting block.
Okay.
But resources, visibility is top notch. Even KNUS election follow you see what I'm talking about. So I think that his point is also that I'll bring you that side. They will see that it's one of their own. I can bring them to communicate. I can bring them to bring their expertise. Because sometimes as a party communicator, you are limited. People will listen to you if they contrive views there. Say now NPP communicator and you can be an NPP. But if it's coming from a pseudo-neutral person like a lecturer, so I think that it seems Keskin will win, but Sabrante police surprise anymore.
Okay.
That's my view.
Okay.
But Eugene, there's another dynamics. You know that chairmanship, no? And
yes.
These
relation
connection.
There are some people.
When I don't want bono.
There are some people drawing alliance to certain people. We know in the last 4 years or so, when Coca came for the first time to contest in this election, Keskin was like his right hand man. Keskin was running the affairs for him.
Or in the PA.
Now he's still his PA.
Yes. I'm kind of customer.
Now. So if Coca should win this election, it would be easier for Keskin
to win
because people will vote
along
that line.
Yes.
But if it should go the other way, I will not be surprised.
Yes.
Maybe I don't mind the Bejana.
Yes. I don't know if Isaac Chebrube is aligned to Kokofu's faction. But what I'm saying is that I'm not saying he's aligned. But if Coca wins the election, it may go the way of Keskin. But if it should go the other way,
Keskin may lose.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. He spoke for Coca.
Okay.
So he's Coca's person. I mean, it's not in doubt.
So in this election, they are going as a team.
I am a team.
Now the youth organizer, and I'm afraid to two other two number. We pen a casa here don't batch. Minimum from KNUS as a Tescom president.
Classroom.
Okay.
He's my very good friend.
Oh, nice. And I'm also told this gentleman sentence by for ɔno nso yɛ napo close affiliate paa now ameyan so wɔ saa asɛ magyina makyɛ magyina makyɛ in fact ɛno a why be born yɛ mo say anya retirement point yɛ so me wan ha me ko bio say so mati you for any so about 35
okay
say oh and am last chance ni na man me ko bio ni ade aba bio na me ntin nka yie I must admit I said that I think it's between these three the top three I think so mu bia wi ni anya me won mu bia wi ni anya me won aha branch na me follow the campaign years but almost no bia wi ni anya I don't know if Nanaya has maybe more details than media.
I have not done research into this area but if you look at the list Boache he was
higher level
real listener Boache as Emmanuel Boache Yadom he has a lot of experience in the New Patriotic Party. Boache Yadom TESCON president KNUST, he became the NUX national NUX president.
Okay.
And from there I know that Yuki
Koyuki
position masters and he still held on to the NPP but Uba region as working within the regional. Boache has done a lot for student politics and all those things, but I've not seen Boache, so vibrant
within the party
in the Ashanti Bebre
compared to say Martin.
Exactly. And then I remember who say ebe ni weaker side.
Okay.
Because ebe den pa say obia sebio on said the nim bebre wako then you want to convince the person to vote for you. It will be very difficult. Sentence, I've seen him in the Ashanti region. Minim ne kakra. I mean, a very close relationship with him, so I cannot attest to the credibility and his ability to win a lot of the young persons for the NPP. But I believe that this affiliation with Napo and how he helped Napo in Menchia.
So you're close to Napo?
Yes.
Okay, then I think then you belong to that block now.
Meaning block, yeah.
The block now
is alleged Napo supporting.
That's right. That's
right. If that is what you believe, if that is what you believe, into Oshe sa area ne dia. Adding so you don't see anyone taking a commanding lead as at now. But probably, anyhow they've been able to speak to them. But whoever wins, I'm not expecting a huge margin in that area.
That's the next point. Say your top three say yeah. We bet me we need 20, 10, 15.
Yeah.
I had it within Tokaban.
Yeah.
Recounting bet me about her. The next one,
that's right. Boy.
Me enra miti onabu chairman sabun. So my deduction of all of that is kukufu. Maybe you Osei-Tutu.
I see.
Oh, you probably kasa ye because you see you are describing two variables. Oh, where your resource for grassroots appeal. We also kasa ye or not so grassroots appeal. But baby a party ni jina ni here we be kasa ye. And even the platform you chose to do the interview, to me, it's a bad choice. Let me explain. This platform has consistently churned out reports purported to be from the camp of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay.
You are the chief of staff of the candidate. Then you go on that platform. What are you telling? Menena na ya woku. We eja. O 3 bedroom, no 3 bedroom. Ufi se hwibaya. Why na guest house? Wakoda na ya ho.
Okay, Bibi.
Especially at the back of how these things has affected the candidate. Affecting Alan. Affecting the Kennedy. Why are you continuously doing that to the man?
Oh.
See me.
So chairman I'll be disappointed.
And then interested casting man one Ghana city that.
No. Let's guess no capre.
But you be a madam for a garbage. Garbage composition no con ho cry, not support to garbage. That's it. Oh, we need problem. We never mean that. Do you know the how I about to meet him? The call or then on quad so. When they were doing the road, and I saw Longford BBB. Madame Funefia Barcelona, so invited me to so Nadia. And I said, Leo, Love FM, we into event, and also Longford BBB or crew from. You ever see a yes, I'm not doing them. Oh, I don't know quadras in it. I'm sure they know quadras. I don't know. Yes. Kokofu, they have known him because of national politics, former MP. To me, all of them, any problem. But I think that the way the leadership is going about this particular petition, it's not nice
at all.
See,
at all.
They be say NDC they cut, but NPP cut too deep. It's answer. The reason why I'm here waiting non-term is to do what?
So I come boom after elections.
But I'm told by 7 months. I'm come from where you sit.
The cost
Exactly.
I'm envisaging a very fragmented. NPP after this election. It will be very difficult to mend some of the broken relationships.
No.
Because some interviews and Nipani be granting and certain words.
No,
and Nipa be the MPP in your party office. Then Omoka Semana won't anything concrete.
No, but see it you. Nana a businessman. Nana a businessman or tonton or render service. You got business is basically rendering a service and me pay for the service you rendered, right? Who MPP ni? There will be a blame. Who MPP? Who they will pay for them. Nana ya no or towards MPP. And I'm NDC ni. So me call Nana ya render service one pame. You see, I have the reason why they be because I'm quality politics. They say never be when I listen to it, it just doesn't make sense because you see. Even those at the upper level, one Bami and Kennedy Bahamas, look at the Bruma. Two being say a tear, Nana Kufa the Fred Bamia, the President Mahama, a frame of 5 men, fat Ugusu Fred, or fat Mama, may pay 50 beer to Mama and Peace Cannon. Is that what you want to communicate? Even them at those level, no, they have a certain romance and relationship. Yeah, one phone now in with and for me, that is why Chairman said should have avoided the interviews. The timing was bad. Because you see, when Wuntumi did what he did, who was Wuntumi going around with? Are you a free? Who was being your Ashanti regional coordinator or this one? Are you a free? So there's already a certain perception.
Yes.
So when your chief of staff grant interviews on those platforms, at that time, you are reinforcing the perception. And I've always said, unless you're a neophyte in politics, optics is almost what? Reality.
Yeah, no, correct.
In politics, optics is almost reality. So you need to avoid the appearance. It's the Transparency International won't measure corruption reality net. Obi an koto teku for the densa face ke gani o. O say corruption person se suzu akufo do aba nya obi koto teku for the face ke.
David.
It's what people perceive and what people to say me jai obi ba be nya chief me nika na bi amanfo ka. Ti kasati no na dream an ka me atai me gina. Ni view no. Obi so betimi ahu me why come up. So views are there. So for you to avoid the appearance of people having those and trend views about you avoid it. The Biamba Pakasem Eugene, we no one can. Like I interview the chairman and election committee no chairman. And you see, I'm not saying chairman shouldn't speak. I'm speaking. Why can't he can speak? But you are what? The chief of staff of what? Now, say Julius Zebra to come and grant interview baby keke. Some position are you Julius Zebra fine. But when you represent somebody, everything you say, even your personal commentaries can be inferred to mean the position of the person you are representing.
Eugene, you just not just someone you are representing, but affiliation, close affiliation. Okay. If you have close affiliation with certain people who have interests, certain interests, okay, some of the best any panel.
No correct. Yes, so my guys are not in into
let's run through nipa do abano. So from the records as I say me one, it's believed that about 1,020 people, 1,020 delegates.
No, Francois is 988.
Okay, so this is the information that I had yesterday from the party.
Okay.
So I don't know what has changed as at now.
Proceed.
But as at yesterday, the information that I was getting late in the day, I said 1,020 people. No more expect to say Babeto. 883 constituency executives. 883 constituency executives. Omo ya to about constituencies are omo ye executives. Omo put positions so hono. 883. 39 members of parliament.
39 MPs.
Yes. Founding fathers. And national council members. And party patrons, elders, regional executives, and TESCON representatives.
Okay.
Omo expect say omo eba beto abano ene. Inti oha no delegates no omo no so bebre. Say yeah the numbers no kwa no minya no according to me dey na which could be problematic and I say any accurate no. Na say omo no 1020.
Okay.
So it's a very small electoral college.
Yeah.
But you know, recent times there's been a Supreme Court ruling, and this election is drawing my attention
Delegate
to the
system.
ruling exactly. So if you see 1,020 people, it's not too difficult to influence 1,020 people. And
that's a ubetime bribe bomb. You can
but we've always seen these things, and
okay.
it is Enra me call vigil no.
Okay.
And it's a conversation that is going on around.
Okay.
You talk to people and people believe that say you see a lot of people throwing in money.
Okay.
I believe that it has become a bad precedence for our body politics.
Okay, so
and I'm hoping that and there's it will not be repeated in this election.
Anyway. Yeah. Saying vigil nibi.
Before the vigil,
okay.
You see the delegate system now. What kind of pork barrel politics has always been with us. That's why there's a name for it. Even in Abrochi cry.
Okay.
You be a to be crana. You be inducing crophobia. But I believe the Supreme Court it will reduce the tendency. It will now reduce it.
Anyway.
Because take for example. I had then a nipa 100,000. 1,000 question them. I could you be a man. No more many fridge. No me
That's right.
But you be so be uncle to be there. At least the frequency say sika ticket to ano.
What you to fridge move?
But you see, just like the national teacher training allowances, Mahama the buy. You share data. Enrollment went up. And a share politics side.
Yeah.
So monto. And yes, and the buy.
We
say the about a NDC started 2014. Oh, and before if they had a way to find can come master. I don't know who but maybe they paid you, so they should find a way around it.
Anyway.
Before we go, me change a tier for address last election that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it won't to me call
okay.
Results no.
Coca.
Results no Coca was able to poll 306 votes.
Yes. Against or something.
Won to me enya 464.
Yeah.
Okay.
So imagine no and anya kesi bebre let's say 160 votes.
Okay.
So if Coca is able to retain this 306 delegates and maybe and then because of won to me people still would want to say won to me maybe there for experience sake and able to recall sake maybe a Coca no benya sa edge no but you poli bi kan one
and a course sa da no sa elections no the tete ye say sikatua bi course or that minute is in be $1 near there that is what we heard
so strategy in twem
but
no deploying
no
but
so to me and Kukufu
Coca.
No, I'm saying that wouldn't mean Kukufu between them. No, Sasikatriano always so bit the same thing.
But it is believed that Nipa bi ana omoboa won to me then no.
Omo
the camp. It is perceived that every way
Nhyira from there won to me omo na say won to me won to me na from nsa support Kukufu.
Oh yeah, you are. Police strengths no.
The thing is that can Kukufu hold that tray as we speak? Two. Now, who's a prof me 2012 election? Sympathy plays a role in politics.
Yeah.
Video no, they no more the share and Obi no born BB in Sikwa. And it was not endorsed by the party.
Yes.
Okay.
Say honorable or say Joe say needless. He's a colossus in Ashanti politics.
Exactly.
Bibi Nsikwa.
Okay.
It's in sympathy can play a role. But you see, Odeno has been 20 years. Kokofu has been MP. So they all have a certain strategy, and when they come to
Party chairman
for
MP.
For MP. And so was some grassroots for me.
Say no musi hu no bra no MP, bra no party chairman. Say no musi hu no. And also play role.
Yes, exactly.
But so it's limited to Bantama.
Yeah. So
no, it is not limited to Bantama at all. Kokofu. Yeah, he's been a communicator for the party for so many years.
So many years.
Say the Osi hu no optics no. Enya Bantama.
The dynamics will be that for me, Kokofuni Kokan, it will be the dynamics of who the top wants against resources.
Okay.
Because if it's just resource pay, what I'm told, Koka is very resourceful. But at the end of the day, it will come to that. But you see, I also find it very interesting that true say usu can be bebra no mo to general say edu ba bi NPP pa je bibia na so mo na batu. They should be able to sit people in the room and tell them that
this is the succession plan.
And let the other person understand.
Okay.
You know why? Who said there was some school of thought say the Alan Bamiate they could have unified the ticket and not even do any.
Yes.
I think that they need to go there. The same thing is happening at the national level.
Okay.
John Boadu.
Okay.
You don't have one at the national leadership of NPP.
Okay.
I don't know if you get it.
Yes.
So I think that they need to get to that level. But Vigil only be a course. Bibi Nsikwa.
Anyway, mama, so yente Vigil kakra. Yente Vigil kakra.